Hello guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. So guys, this is still my first video to be posted here on my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be showing you different Windows shortcut keys that will be helpful to you. So please watch till the end. Okay, let's get started with quick link menu. By pressing the Windows key plus letter X, the quick link menu will open. As you can see, this is the quick link menu. In this quick link menu, we can open many shortcuts. For example, if you want to open File Explorer, you just need to press letter E, just like this. So there you go. It's our File Explorer. And if you also want to shut down your computer, you just need to press letter U. But I won't do that for now because I don't like to shut down my computer. Okay, another one is settings. If you want to open your settings, just press letter N. There you go. Okay, so let's proceed to the next shortcut key, which is the shortcut for clipboard. For those who doesn't know what a clipboard is something that stores copied items in our computer. So now let me show you how it works. Okay, so in here we have searched three things. Okay, the first one is computer. So now let's try to copy this one. What does computer mean? Copy, then let's try to search one more. Okay, so what is Android? There you go. Right click, copy. Okay, here is one more. Okay, so let's just copy this one, then copy. So now let me show you a trick. Maybe the others know about this already, but it's just let me show it to the others who doesn't know about this yet. Okay, so we have copied three items in our clipboard. Now let's try to open it. Okay, let's go to sticky notes. Okay, so let's try to paste the three things that we have copied a while ago, since we can't use the control V. As you can see, if we press control V, the last item we copied will be the one to be pasted, right? We can do nothing about it. So what are we going to do so that we can open the old copied items that we copied? So let me show it to you. Okay, by pressing Windows V, our clipboard in here will pop up. So the first thing that we copied earlier is this one. What is computer? So computer is an electronic device for storing and processing data. Okay, there. Once more so that we can copy the other one. Meaning of Android. And the last one about Macintosh. Okay, there you go. So there you go. We have copied the three items. We have pasted the three items that we have copied earlier. Okay, so that's how the Windows V works. Okay, so let's proceed to the last shortcut key that I will be showing you, and that is the shortcut for our emoji panel. Okay, by pressing the Windows plus the period button, the emoji panel will open. Okay, so let's try it out, guys. Okay guys, so let's try it here. Let's go to the comment and Windows plus period button. Okay, there you go. Okay, Okay, so it works. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned something from me, and that's all, and goodbye.